Hi guys, welcome to Tech Marvel channel. In this video we're going to check out how to do web stories from the website. Okay, so let's begin from the first now. So as you can see here, there are some templates which I created already. I have a channel, Jetline Marvel, which you can search it in Google and find out my channel name. But right now I'm just interested over into the web stories that you can see it here. Let's go from the one by one. So as you can see here, all the stories are there. So I just go to the create new story. Create new stories. There you can put your name of the article, or which is a story which you are going to publish. So I'm just typing it here: 5 top 5 selling aircraft. So my niche is about the aviation news and everything, so that's why I just picked this type of the content. So I just go here. As you can see, there is an empty space over here. So first thing is that we can create our own thing, and another options we have, we can use the templates. So let's see here, there are some template which is already existed. So there is a beautiful templates, as you can see in the left side. So I just have to pick out one type of the template with a color theme which is been associated with that entire template. So I just see this one, so I'll pick out this. As you can see, there are number of the inside pages is also shown here. So this is a very simple. First you have to go and search for the post page, and then you will have a ad page, then second, then third, then fourth, and then 5. Okay, so as you can see, this is the first things over here. So 5 reasons why campaign is good for you. Okay, so now my topic is about top 5 selling aircraft. So I just change here top 5 selling. I remove this aircraft. Okay, is that done? Yeah, good. Now we can go to the next one. So as you can see here is what all things we can add, and further we need to add one title for this. So I just pick this title here. So I just pick the title here, and I increase the font size, and I change the color. Apply it. The first one is A320 Neo, as you can see here, and my article is here. Okay, so this article is written by me, and so thing is, like, when you are publishing into the web stories, make sure you write your own of the articles, or something which you can do the research onto the articles. That is the best practice to prevent you from the blocking of an AdSense, or which we call as the legitimate activities which you can do it onto the your web stories. So as you can see, there is an Airbus 320 Neo. That's the title for the article. So I just pick it here, 320 Neo. Then I go to this, and I see 200 words which can be suitable to my article. So I just picked it here, this one, copy and drop it here again. So I just make changes of the colors here. can adjust into this letter spacing if you want little letter spacing like this, or you want to take a bold letter, or you want to take a light open sans, you can put it something other type of the letters, and thereafter you zoom it little, as you can see over here. Okay, and the next part we will go here to the next camping improves the quality of life. So I'll go to this here, Boeing 737 Max aircraft. I'll put it into this. Boeing 737 Max aircraft. I'll remove this word. So make sure that when you are writing something onto this article, so you have to pick only important. So unnecessary wordings, try to remove it, so the viewer can see it directly your content. So unnecessary words is not required. So here also some unnecessary things is here, and narrow body airtime built by the Airbus and division of the, so which is not required for us. Okay, that's it. And quality of life, I just delete this, which is not required, and that's it. And the next one is here like this. I have made it Airbus A220 aircraft. Okay, so now this is done. Top 5 selling aircraft. So now I have to put the aircraft pictures instead of this background. The background is different here, so for that I have to go to this template area and then background. There is an image. You will get two options of uploading your own image. I'm sorry, or else you can use the free image library here, and this is all are the free images which you can use. So I just take aeroplane, and here are some images of aeroplane, so I just click it here onto this, so this image will change. Then the second one is Airbus A320 Neo. I just here one more image which I want to check it in this one, but this is not Airbus 320. For the demonstration purpose I am using this image. Then Boeing 737 Max, so I'll just take one more Boeing 737 Max. I just pick this here and then change the image. Then yeah, there's one little changes onto this. Then again you go to the image. Okay, change image. As you can see here, the image has been changed. Now Airbus A320 aircraft, so there's one more aircraft is here, Airbus 220 aircraft. Yeah, so for the remaining pages I just leave it as it is. And let's go with this one. To changing the background, you just have to go and double click like this. Okay, that's it. and to changing the image like this boxes kind of thing, you have to go to here, change image, and you will land into this type of the page, so where you can see the free media. Then go to the image and search the aeroplane, whatever the aeroplane you like it, so it will show it here onto this, and pick one aircraft in this and change image. As you can see, it went backside of this font, right? So that's it. So that's it for here. Now this is being completed. Similarly, you have to create at least 10 pages, 8 to 10 pages to get displays of your AdSense ads. Then I'm going to hit here publish button. There's two ways here. Publish has a web stories, another is export for social media. Export for social media is you can download the same designs in terms of video and images, and another is a publish has a web story. I'm going here, and these are the setup over here onto this publish a web stories. You have to put logo and then the favicon. Favicon is just like similar to your logo. Okay, so that shows this very small icon on your link, that is a favicon which is used. And set up a poster. The setup poster, you just have to create some posters by using Canva, like this, which is a post is already created. For demonstration purposes, I'm using some pre-existed photos over here which have been created. It's kind of a portrait type of the image, which you can use it for creating this type of the posters. So it is taking more time. It is taking more time because the image is a larger image, so that's the reason it is taking more time. So make sure when you are doing this, try to get it a lesser pixel image, so that can save your time, and just adjust to your all the size of the images. So this is portrait 3x4, landscape 4x3, and square 1x1. So wherever this platform is, it's going to show this web stories, so according to that these posters will get adjusted. So it's here now. This is save poster. Now it's done. Now it is taking loading of this image to the web stories for the poster. This is done. Replace poster image. If you want to change the poster image, you can do it, or else let it the same poster, which I'm going to the next ones. Top 10 destination in USA, which is not actually my topic. My topic is about top 5 selling aircraft. So save, proceed. So SEOs here, what type of the web stories you have here is mine is an article. If you want to create an event, frequently asked question page you want to add, how to do the stuff, that one, recipes, cooking, job posting, website name, person, and all. So mine is on the article. I just select an article. Then again you have to write your subject title here, top 5 selling aircraft. So this is all about the aircraft, so I just put it here in aircraft, airplane, and aerospace, which we are into that niche, top 5 selling aircraft. So try to give a brief descriptions here. These are the aircraft are high selling in the market. Okay, so give it some names or everything here. So now this is coming to the next is another type. Is it a person or organization? Mine is an organization. The publisher name is Jetline Marvel, and logo, again you have to go to the here, then pick out the logo. Mine is red color logo. Then publishing date. Try to give the publishing date, that is very important. That will help you to boost your web stories in the Google. So dates are very important. So this is now it is done. Save and proceed. So I'm going to the next proceed. As you can see, there is a problem which is showing here. The words characters which is more than expected from the web stories, so that's reason I have to decrease the words count. So this is the one where it is showing it is one of the most commonly purchased aeroplanes. So remaining one, I just delete it here, then I go back, then this is the green signal, and again every image you should have the title. Okay, so I just suggest that you can use your same title for this all the images. The title means that subject title which you are going to make up web stories. So mine is the top 5 selling aircraft, top 5 selling aircraft. So I am using all where top 5 selling aircraft. This is a type of SEO alternative text, we call it as, that you can use it. There you can put your all the titles for that, or we just give the image courtesy if you have been image you used by your end, that you can do it. Then save and proceed. So this is here the analytics and ads, so you can add the analytical scores here, so that you can track entirely of your web stories circulations, and also you will get some figures of the peoples which is viewing your web stories. So that will help you to cross check your earnings and views. Okay, so custom analytics, you can add it onto this page. Well, I'm not using onto this here, I'm just heading to the next Google AdSense setup. So Google AdSense is here, so that you just have to put here publication ID and enter your slot ID. That's it here now. So next is on to the publish story. So mine is here already been picked out in this. We'll make another video where how to do linking of your website into this web stories of editors. Editor make stories onto here. So mine is already done. So if you're already done, then this video would be helpful for you. So select an aviation jetline story, and this is in a proceed. The proceed is done. If you hit the publish button, this will go as a live, but I'm not going to do this publish because I just prefer to have an quality articles. So I just go back and show you how this things is been done. Okay, so very simple and very easy. So first stage is publisher details, top 5 selling aircraft. So you have to add the posters here. Then SEOs categories, article is all need to be added. While story validations, so all things has to be updated as per the requirement of the web stories, analyticals and ads, and publish. Okay, so hope you understood about how to do the web stories from this video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and if you have any doubts or queries, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you, bye bye.